Okay, here's my new Airsoft battlefield. You might have seen my other one, but I upgraded it. This cherry speed behind there. Got this wood thing. Shoot between there. I've already had a couple woods with this. Shoot right there. We got a couple spots. We got one right here. One right there. Sorry it rained, so it's really wet. See all the water. See a bunch of airsoft movies. Here's my brother's fort with his friend. Right here. It's pretty good fort. Not really. We lived in the rain yesterday. We had an airsoft fort yesterday. See some movies. I got him back there. It's not there, but I forgot to tell you. I go behind here too. My favorite spot is just right there. So yeah, sometimes I use this. I know I can get through it, but it's still kind of protection. Some sort of protection. If you're really far away, it won't go through. So yeah, have to put over here. So yeah, here's my airsoft battlefield. See ya.